Aluminum pipe is longitudinally lap welded. The inside and outside of this thoroughly diffusion-tight pipe are permanently bonded with high-quality, temperature and pressure-resistant plastic material made of PERT and manufactured in accordance with DIN standard 16833. Now, see for yourself how the pipe is produced in our factory in Tselomelis, Thuringia. A pipe is formed from an aluminum strip, which is longitudinally lap welded in an ultrasonic process. Then, an adhesive is applied to the inside, followed by the plastic layer. This process is repeated on the outside, first with the adhesive, then with the plastic layer. Thus, a 5-layer composite pipe with extraordinary properties is created. The strength of the aluminum pipe must be cooled. After cooling off, each meter of Unipipe undergoes inspection by a strict quality safety system. A camera monitors the outer shape of the pipe and signals deviations optically and acoustically. The printing of the pipe with the factory mark is the last step before coiling. After production, our quality control process starts. Every Unipipe coil leaving our company will be rechecked in detail for correct dimensions, wall thickness, bonding of layers and inner diameter. In short, all relevant parameters leading to the high quality of Unipipe. Peel and tension tests are performed. The whole pipe is tested in our own labs according to directives of the DVGW, the German Technical and Scientific Association on Gas and Water. This supplements and extends the regular external tests performed by the South German Plastic Center. Unipipe will undergo severe tests ranging from extremely high temperatures and high pressure to extremely low temperatures. Strict tests for the highest quality. We combine all advantages and highest quality controls in one pipe in order for you to say, Unipipe, a smart way to install. A sophisticated fitting design. 2 O-rings and the profiled press sleeve with stop ring provide a perfect, straight and full surface pressing. Unipipe fittings are produced and developed in our own company. This ensures perfect harmonization of all components. The raw material, which is delivered in bars, is first cut to length and then heated to approximately 700 degrees Celsius in order to produce the fitting blanks. Now, the heated raw material is pressed into shape and beveled after cooling down. At the sandblasting station, the produced fitting blanks are cleaned prior to further processing. The blanks are then milled, drilled, and re-cleaned for further processing. The cut-off chips and burrs are remelted. The cleaned fittings are tin-plated and then assembled. The O-rings and pressed sleeves are placed on assembly machines, and the fitting is done. Our fittings have to undergo the strictest quality controls, like first-time sample inspections. Continuous monitoring during all production processes is guaranteed, including goods inward inspection of raw materials, sleeves, and O-rings. We apply the highest quality standards everywhere. Only a fitting that passes all inspections will leave our company. Your assurance to work in a reliable way.